What a problem Donna caused on social media. Me say people, Marcia can't sleep last night. Marcia went live, to address Donna while she in the bed with her man. Me say people, what a drama on social media. What a saga. Me say Marcia Campbell get mad, cross, angry and miserable after Donna did a skit, and I throw some shade over the fence. Marcia take it to heart and go on the most way people. Me say what a piece of drama. Marcia talk about things about Donna. And guys, if you have usual thing, pay a bad word and all them things that I say, that woman I can't stop cause bad word. Me think she go church and the bad word I done, but she go hard. She tell Donna say, you start living a life yet in America and you come here, you come to cover the whole place. You do not all and no, you're not paying a tax. Vote all now. And until you vote, you can't come talk to me. And until you pay tax, you can't come talk to me. You live in a big apartment and my own bigger than your own and better than your own. Me said, guys, I be a comparison I go on in a be a disrespect I go on around there. So me say, Marcia talk about things about Donna. And said Donna if you go sit her ass down, you just come to America and you now live no life. Me there for so much years. You want to come compare yourself with me. Me say people, Marcia say she named the real big deal. Donna is just a big deal. Me say people, Marcia no easy no blow. What make you bad man say Marcia? If Donna want to come out and show some can, why have to pick up? Why have to pick it up and come eat that? Why the can have to call you? Why you specifically? How it burn you so? Because you know say the truth. And them always say the truth hurt. Then I could do this, I ain't respond back to it. But we know in yourself, so you're guilty, you're stagnant, and you're lazy, and you're not gonna wait at all. That's why you have to react to it. See me? Me say people, you don't want your woman mouth sound cranny. All the woman and her man at the bed and all the woman that disrespect Donna and attack with things them. Me say, yo, if you're a big woman, kill this. Kill this man. Donna never come out in a one disrespectful way. She just start do a skit and it burn you so much. Then imagine if Donna come with something different. What would you say? You see me? Only care, anger, pressure. Enough time you hear up on your life and attack about Donna. Hold it for time. You see me? Whole part you talk about Donna and Donna not talk to you. But the woman do a one skit now. It affects so much that you can't sleep. And not even think you make no love last night as you talk about you make love. You go there go your bed upset and cross, miserable. Because guess something. You personally never did know that Donna come out of that skit. You never did know that. You see me? And them say who feels it knows it. And through you feel it and you know say it's true, that's why it burns you so much. It burns you so much. You can't believe your eyes. Just like when Bounty Killer said, I can't believe my eyes. It's like your last tweet. I wonder what is going on here. So, you talk about the woman now living a life and she just come to America and she want to cover America. You the America for 40 years. Where you have to show? Talk about waste of time. Talk about waste of talent. You say he's an entertainer. He's a number one entertainer. You never had flop yet. You never had flop yet. So come on now. You flop way per time. The people them know what go on. The streets attack. See me? You can't entertain. All you do is to make a bag of nice and go up on mic, but you keep karaoke and look like a big fat bird. That's all you're good for. And then you compare yourself so much with Donna. If Donna wear a clocks, you say, yo, you have a upgrade clocks that one day. You have the 2.0 and then have the 2. Then have the 2. Because guess something. I saw you do your thing. You see me? I saw you go around and show your line. Because you feel somebody must stay above you. You feel that people must stay below you. You see me? Because me I say, yo, what you have with Donna so much. You see me? What you have with the woman so much. If the woman can do a skit and talk about certain things and it affect you so much. Why it affect you shouldn't affect you so much. It shouldn't affect you so much because you know say you're true, you know say you're stagnant, you know say the America for 40 years and you know say nothing at all not going for you. It shouldn't affect you because as a big deal and thing, as a big deal, you shouldn't let that affect you because you could have said to yourself, say boy, me a big deal, I have to answer some of them. But you know say if you answer Donna, you get more likes and share. You see me? Because people, may I tell you, this from now, You see, when it's MC I go on upon a live and thing, oh, you can bother for herself on a live. In a real life, I go to be a little turtle when people come to push in her neck. Full of be your mouth. Full of be excitement. You see me? I mean I say, yo, if your woman is that boy your members only, you should not catch nobody yard and live on a man yard and thing. You see me? You should have your own place. Your own place, your own this, your own that. You see me? Me here talk about you want to live in your own man living in your car. Who does that? Who see them thing there? That's a big deal. You just make yourself look like a big idiot. Come on, tell the people when I talk about Donna and the woman do a one skit and it affect you so much. You in front of your man that disrespect the woman and the woman never disrespect you. The woman does a keep a skit and a fire some can over your base and then you take it to art as usual with a dirty bad with them and I said then I can't compare. Then you go sit your ass down. You will go sit your ass down. You see me? Because it's a waste of time in America. Waste of time in America. If somebody in America come and pay a tax over there pay. But they come to Jamaica come pay a tax them and help the country out here. You see me? But in America be a waste time and a pay a tax and a vote like a raw idiot. A uno we call waste of time. You see me? A uno we call waste of space. Because the America and I waste all them time there and I spend up so much money in America and not invest none now in the country. That's why not all not going for someone. That's why someone now move forward. That's why someone is stagnant so because they don't invest in the time for other things and waste so many time for other things and they spend the quality time and do the right thing. You see me? Yeah. I tell the people, anyone that one skip could affect one woman so much. The woman couldn't sleep last night. She upset. See me? But as I always say, people, you know, are the supporter of them are the one who always cause the mix up most of the time, you know. When, like, for example, Donna do a live, they might send it to Marcia, because Marcia, I couldn't open a live last night, so she in a bed with her man, and they send it to her. I mean, I said, what a backside. You see me? And of course, you know, say, she ate Donna to the core of her heart, so she go lick back on her. From Donna send back Marcia the money, remember me tell you, that is it. It hurt Marcia so much. Up to this day, Marcia can't stop talking about Donna. Up to this day, Marcia still hurt by that money situation there. You see me? I mean, I say, yo, come on now. We as black people, we don't forget about nothing at all. No, sir. Me say, people, Marcia fire shot last night, man. No, sir. I'm not going to connect with Donna. Donna's a look upon her and laugh. And I say, boy, how can I blank here for you? Me, I tell you, people, it no look good. Because it's like from Donna come America, Marcia feel threatened. Marcia feel said, Donna, I come out here. I go come in America and stop her food. I mean, I say, stop her food and stop her success and take away her followers them and take away her views them. Me, I say, no, man. Now that now go on. You see me? But you could watch us so I go on here, people. Because right about now, Kaka I mad out. Kaka I can't sleep tonight. You see me? Kaka I can't sleep tonight. For the whole day, Kaka I had upon Blanca Bass. The whole day. She now stop talking about it now. I content this is she. A money this is she now for your pocket. See me? Me know. She never stop talking about Donna. Because she hurts so much. Because all the time fear my chest, I don't come over here and I travel me. But she understand so when they're in America, in Jamaica, people like you that travel done a regular. You see me? And the woman make a skit and I describe everything that I go on in your life. And it burns you so much. It cut you deep inside your heart that you cannot believe it. You see me? But I say go, them always say the truth hurt. And the truth hurt inside of your heart right now. So, me doubt if you can sleep good tonight. But I tell your man, say, if you go sit down one side because, you know, You're mad out. Tell him from now, MC. So guys, it's upon yourself here, man. Fun, drama, entertainment. So just like and share. Let me know what you think about it, people. But you can say from now, say Marcia affected by this, guys. So you need to check on Marcia and so on, guys. Based upon yourself, people. We chat to you soon.